Hey everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you all are doing absolutely fine and continue your fitness journey. I'm also doing it and I urge you to please do it in any case possible. Do not lose your focus and continue your fitness journey. I'm your friend Zishan, father of a cute little boy, husband of a superwoman, a huge cricket fan, pool and snooker player and a learning design consultant. I'm yet again here with my 18th week video of my fitness journey. So let's see how it was. Let's get started. Coming back to our tips of the week section, I'm going to share a personal experience with you which will help you to take your fitness journey, and somehow indirectly it is related to fitness journey. You know what, friends, stress is very harmful for your body, and whenever you are in stress, your fitness journey go for a toss. Even if you are doing your fitness initiatives while being in stress, it will not give you maximum result. So it is important to take care of yourself and reduce your stress level in your life, and to do so it is important to be happy in your personal life. We all should be content in our lives and try to make our personal life happier. Nobody else in this world will help you to be happy. And if you are happy, your stress levels will be in check and it will give you maximum benefit as far as your fitness journeys are concerned. I also try to do so wherever it is possible and try to minimize my stress level, and it is giving me good results. There have been days where I took a lot of work pressure and it has helped and it has distorted my fitness initiatives long back before I started this fitness journey. And it has forced me to gain a lot of weight, and I faced a lot of difficulties going back to normal. And then I realized it is important to have a balanced life where you give equal importance to your work as well as your personal life. And whenever there'll be a work-life balance, your stress levels will be in check, and it will help you to be fit and focused and healthy, and it will give you maximum benefit out of you. It will extract maximum benefit out of your fitness journey and initiatives. Coming back to our overview tracker section, this week is also very good. And friends, there are fields which is highlighted in green. These are the days where I have done my morning walk as well as home workout. Coming back to the overall fitness tracker section, as you can see in my fitness tracker, I have, and the data is here right now. And as you can see, I have invested around 7 hours, walked around 18 kilometers and burnt around 2500 calories. And my 18th week has been satisfactory, and I hope to continue it in future as well. And let's see how it goes, and let's see how it will go. I'll keep you posted, but till now, take care of yourself, continue your fitness journey. And also one more thing before I forget, the link to all the trackers and the data is there in the description section. Please go and download those data and try to include it as part of your fitness journey, and you will see a lot of good benefit, and it will help you to reduce the stress levels, especially in COVID-19 pandemic era, where we are facing a lot of difficulties and stress levels are high. Fitness is one thing which is very important to take care of. It is indirectly related. If you are happy, you will be able to extract maximum benefit out of your fitness journey. And also, if you are taking care of your fitness journey, your stress levels will be reduced. So these two things are interlinked. Please follow it. Keep it as part of your fitness journey, and you will see a lot of good benefits. I'll see you next week. Please till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye. Love you all.